My name is Scarlett Michelle Arbuckle, and I'm here in Austin to trade my car, my 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass, for a bicycle. Something's wrong with the car. It always drains the battery, so every time I turn it off, I have to take the battery terminal off and then put it back on every time I want to start the car. It's a lot of fun. I took it to the junkyard to get a new window for it, and they accidentally dropped another car on top of it because they thought it was so old. Oh, that's a wrecked car. So they put another car on top of it, picked it up, and was taking it into the junkyard to put it with the other wrecked cars because it's that old and needs to get put in a junkyard, is pretty much what they said. You'll notice all of the leaves and things on the seats because it actually, the windows don't roll up and down. The door doesn't open so good. Pretty much this is a car that you only drive if you have to have something to carry things with. You end up driving it a lot more than you want. Even though I try to drive it as little as possible, I still end up driving it way too much. It is not good for the environment. There's no muffler on the car. There's holes in what's left of the muffler of the car, and it never has had an inspection. I know that I'm very bad at keeping up with oil changes. It's terrible. It's absolutely awful to have on the road. I'm so glad to be getting rid of it. This is the way to get rid of it. You know, if you live in a city, you can ride your bicycle almost 90% of the time. You only drive 5 miles to work. You only drive a few miles to the grocery store. You don't go all the way across town to pick up toilet paper. You can always get the stuff that you need done with a bicycle, definitely. In the mornings when I wake up and I go into work, it's cold enough, you know, to put the heat on. It's cold enough that it makes me kind of nervous to say, I think I might have to get some of those slick, you know, bicycle riding pants so that I don't get too cold on the way in. But other than that, I think I can do it. I'm really ready to do it. I'm confident that I can make it happen.
But she drives, and not she won't drive for much longer. Ladies and gentlemen, Scarlett Arbuckle, make some noise. She wrote a fairly compelling argument, said in a video even.
Healer!
This is your last chance to pull out. There are lots of people out here that need a car. Do you have any second thoughts? And let me have those keys. And Scarlett, we'd like to now present you Woman and Bike! And not just any bike. Before we give this away, we need everybody. Put your hands up in the air. We're going to raise up this bicycle right now. Because this bike is a one-off beauty from Fort Collins. And this bike will take you where you need to go. If you let it. You are doing it. Alright, it might be hard. But we believe in you. Ladies and gentlemen, do you believe in Scarlett? Then right now, we need everybody in that crowd to tell Scarlett to ride on. Steve, give her a new bike, buddy.